So I've seen that one of the biggest mistakes that people make on the paleo diet, and it's whether it's their goal is for losing weight or trimming body fat or just getting in better shape, is focusing too much on sugar. Most of you out there may have an eating addiction in terms of wanting something sugary after every meal. So what you'll see a lot of people do who are trying to lose weight on the paleo diet is remove things like the candy bars or sweet breakfast pastries or cereals that they were having before, and they just inject and replace that with more fruit. And the problem with supplanting those things in their diet, fruit's great for you. Fruit definitely has its place in the paleo diet. But if your goal is to lose weight and body fat, because that's what makes your body look great, that's what makes it look toned and muscular at the end of the day, you're going to have to cut back on your sugar intake. So what I would say for you jumping on this diet is try to eat no more than 2 pieces of fruit per day. So if you want to have a banana and an apple, an orange, plum, pear, grapefruit, whatever it may be, so if you can focus on just having 2 pieces of fruit per day and use that as your replacement for the sugar that you were having maybe after dinner. If you're a sweets after dinner person, then it would be great to, instead of having a brownie or a slice of cake or a bowl of ice cream, to have an apple or an orange, or to even have both of them if that helps you out more. If you can split them up in the day and have a piece of fruit earlier and have a piece of fruit later, that'll be better to have more of your sugar consumed earlier in the day so that you have longer in the day to burn it. But as far as focusing on eating less sugar, that's the biggest recommendation I would make you. Pick 2 of your favorite fruits, limit yourself to 2 of those pieces per day, and if you can really step up your game eventually, if you can lower yourself to 1 piece of fruit per day or start eating under 20 or 30 grams of sugar per day, you're really going to notice a difference in your body composition as far as the amount of fat that comes off of you within weeks of being able to cut more sugar out.